Hello, welcome to Tutorial4You channel. In this video, we will publish this project at Somee.com. This is a simple application where we have a simple root operation, and here we can create a data. Let's see, password. And that's it. As you can see, there are two records now. We can delete the data, and all this is coming from this database. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to upload this database and this project on Somee.com. So let's go to Somee.com first. First, we will see how we can sign up at Somee.com. So I have made this Gmail account so that when we try to sign up, we will get a verification code here. Alright, I will use this Gmail account. So we will sign up for this free.net hosting. So you click on this learn more button, and then you can read this whole whatever package they are offering. The important thing is that since this is free, so that they have some condition, you can read the condition, but the important thing is that they will automatically verify a system which checks if your free website or database is active. So after every 30 days, if your application is not active, like mean they you have to visit every 30 days and perform some insert, update, or delete, like the Somee.com may know that your website is active. If it is not active, it will just close your hosting, and when you go to your hosting address, you can't find your website there. So you should read this whole, and then you can click on this order now button. Now you can see there is this sign in and create an account. If you already have an account, click on sign in and just log in into your account. But for this tutorial, we will create a new account. Let's suppose I give the name tutorial for you, and last name, let's see, give this name channel. User ID, you can give it anything. Let's say tutorial for you 123, and password you have to give some limit, like you have to give a capital letter and some number and some special character. Let's see, uh, let's see. So now your email address should be your email address which you are currently using, because Somee.com will send you a verification code on here. So I just copy this email address and I paste it here. Okay, then you type this code here, 3S1DUS, and check this box has agree, and just click on register new account. Alright, as you can see, it has sent me the verification code. It's saying to enter here the verification code. So that's why I was saying that you have to give a right correct Gmail or any email address. So as you can see, I got the verification code here, and this is the code. I copy this and I paste it here. I click on confirm. So as you can see, our account is done, our hosting and all the shopping is done. So we just click on this checkout. So this is the sign up process. So our account is sign up. So let's suppose if next time you will enter the Somee.com, so how you will log in. So either you can give you an email address here or the username. In our case was Tutorial4You 123. So I put the email address here. Just copy the email address. You can put the email address or the username, and then you write the password which you have made. with a special character, some numbers, and a uppercase and lowercase alphabet. So I click on this, remember me for 2 weeks, and I click on login. So we log in back to the portal. So this is the portal. So our sign up process is done. So first of all, what we will do, we will create a database, and then we will connect the database to our local website running here. Like we will go to web config, and here we have the connection string for our database which is in our machine. So we will update this connection string and use the connection string of the server somee.com, and we will run a project again so that we can see our database is working correctly, and then we will upload our project. So let's go to database and let's click on create. All right, now you have to give the name to your database. In our case, we can give sample tv. All right, somee.com. Just keep this same, just give the version number of database. We give 2016. All right, now click on create empty database. Already registered. All right, so let's just change it to sample. Let's see if that's must be new. So what, let's do sample 123, create empty database. So our database is created. Now we click on manage the database. So now we will generate a script so that we can use the script in this run tsql. All right, and we click on this open tsql. We will make a script and paste it here, and we will change the database name to sample123. All right, so let's generate a script. Select the database, right click on it, and click on task, and select generate script. All right, then click on next, select specific database object, click on this, and select the tables. All right, and click next, then go on advanced, and then scroll down to script for version, and here you can see there are SQL Server 2019, but in that program, in that server, we have selected SQL Server 2016. All right, so you make sure that your script is of 2016. All right, let's just change it to 2016. There you go. And if you want schema only, which means there will be columns and row, but there will be no data. Like in, if I go to my SQL server, there's just one record in this user TB. So if I do schema only, that means the data will not come. And if I also want the data, so I will do schema and data. And if I just want the data, it will only do the data only. So I will select schema only. That means I doesn't want data, I just want the rows. And I click OK. Now I click open in new query window. So I select this and click next. Click next again. Now this will generate the script and it will open in a new window in here. Alright, yeah, as you can see it is open. Close this box, click on finish, and now just rename this to sample123, which is a server database name. Alright, now I am pressing Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy. Now I go to my TSQL console and I paste the script here. Now I have to click on this run has TSQL batch. Click on this, and as you can see, success. So our database is created. So if you can see, this is the connection string of our database. All right, and now what we will do, we will connect this database with our application here. As you can see, our application has a connection string which is connected to our local database, which is here, this SQL server. So what we'll do, we will connect this database, the server which we have just uploaded on server at somee.com with our local application, and then we will run our local application to see, to check if our database is working correctly. So you have to do some changes in your connection string. First of all, copy the connection string. All right, copy the connection string and paste it here. Comment this connection string for later use. All right, then just arrange it. After this name attribute, there is a connection attribute. Just click enter and then scroll to right till you find the provider connection string. All right, or just you find data source to the server. All right, just click on enter. To your local SQL server, you find this data source attribute. Just click enter and then you scroll right again till you find this provider name. All right, click enter. All right, so basically you have to change this data source, which is now with this string. All right, copy this string, copy. All right, and you can see this before this sign QUOT. Just select it till data source and paste it here. That's it. Your connection string is updated. Now what, this connection string should be connected to your this database. All right, just now let's just run the our application. I will do a CRUD operation and I will show you that the data is inserted in the server database. All right, so we go to user. As you can see, it is coming empty. We click on create new. We select name, tutorial for you. Press take username as username and password as password. Just click one and just click on create. As you can see, our one record is created. Now let me show you a local database. I click on the table, select all from rows, and you can see the data does not match. Username is username, password is password. So here username is admin and password is 123. So that means our record is inserted in here. To check that, click on this run PSQL. We already had opened it here. All right, let's close now. Click on this open TSQL console and we will get this window here. We write the query select all from user DB. All right, let's click on this run has query, and as you can see, one record has been created. That means now local project, this project is connected to our server database. Now just we have to publish this project into somee.com. To do that, we right click on the project name, sample project, right click on that, and you can see here there is publish option. Click on the publish. All right, so you can see there's some option coming here as a target. You have to select folder. All right, click on folder, click next. Okay, then you have to give the path where you want to save your project, publish project. Click on browse, desktop. I will select desktop and I will select make new folder. Let's just name as sample project. All right, sample project. Click OK. So there will be, this will be the path that will create this new folder as sample project, and in this there will be our project. Click on finish. So as you can see, our publishing is ready. All right, now and we have to just click on this publish, and it will make this project publish in this folder. All right, just click on publish. As you can see, it has started building and publishing the folder. So as you can see, it says successfully published. So now when we minimize our project, we will get the sample project here, and if we open this sample project, we got this our project. All right, now we just control A and send, make it a zip file. I just will send it as compressed. That will make it as a zip file. All right, let's just rename it as project. All right, let's rename as project. Okay. Now you have to go to file manager. You have to go to website. Alright, first websites, click on website and create a website. So now here you have to select a domain name, whatever your site will be named or and search for. Like I will select sample. Hope this domain is not taken. Just write any title, site title, and this is description. You can write anything here. Alright, just create a website. So site name already is registered. Let's say sample project as sample project. Let's try publishing it. Let's try creating the website again. It's loading. Our website is created. So now if I go to sample http sample project .some.com, I'm clicking on this and you can see there is new tab open. So this is our default page. So that means our sample project website is up and running. Now we have to, in the file manager of in websites sample project.some.com, there is a file manager. All right, here you have to upload your zip file. All right, this zip file has to be uploaded here. All right, so I got a file manager. So this is the default page which we are seeing here. So let's just delete this page. Click on delete. Do you want to proceed? Click OK. Now our default page is gone, and now if we refresh our website, it will show nothing. All right, so we have to click on this upload button, and we have to click on upload and unzip. But before, we have to select a file. All right, so let's just go on a desktop, sample project. Here is our zip file. Click on open. So as the file is loaded, we will click on upload and unzip our archive. Click on this. Just click on one. Just click once. It will be uploaded by itself. It doesn't show any loading screen. As you can see, it is uploaded. It doesn't show any loading screen, so you just have to be careful to click it one time. And as you can see, it is uploaded. Our all file which was in our folder is available here. So let's go to our website again and then refresh it. So that will do the job, and also maybe and our project will be uploaded. It's reloading. Let's wait. So as you can see, our Somee.sample project Somee.com is uploaded. Go to user, and let's create a new user. Create a new user. Tutorial4You, username 123, password 123, created ID 1. Let's just create it. And as you can see, a new user is created. Let's delete it. If you want to delete it, as you can see, it is deleted. So that's how you upload your website, your ASP.NET project to Somee.com freely. And if you like this video, please give it a like, and Let me know in the comment section what next you want to see. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.